and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description. Trees, 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 trees.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today is November 6th, 2024. And we've got Momofuku. This is made by Asha Dry Noodle. This is their soy and scallion noodle. And yeah, we're gonna cook it up. We got the water boiling. We're gonna throw the noodle in there. We're gonna cook it, we're gonna drain it, and you're gonna sit and enjoy it, because that's one of the nicer things that you get to do with your day. So, there you go. Being the 6th day of November, and you being in the future, wow. It was unexpected what happened last night. But, yeah, what do you do? What does one do? Anyways. So it's cold. It's very bright. Very sunny day. Whoa. And noodles want to boil over. And I don't want them to do that. So I'm going to intervene and make it so the noodles don't boil over. Man, see, I called it. I thought, you know what? How could it get any worse? The Dodgers win the frickin' World Series. How could it get any worse? And it did. It did. I mean, regardless, you know. I voted for Harris. A lot of people apparently voted for Trump, which is kind of surprising. It's like, don't you care about your own self-interest? It's really not a good idea. I don't know. I guess you like the felon, convicted, criminally indicted, or whatever, rapist and all that. But whatever. I don't know. I'm just the noodle guy. But yeah. So we'll see what happens. I don't know, I'm just kind of surprised. But nothing wrong with being surprised, I guess. Oh, what else is going on? I don't know. That's kind of the front of mouth flavor is very bitter today. But hopefully these noodles will bring a nice flavor change, a palate cleanse to the sickness of the populace that elected this schmutz, or schnook, or whatever. Yada, yada, yada. If you voted for him, good for you. You win. Congratulations. Anyways. So, yeah. Yesterday, we took my son to a doctor's appointment, and he got a blood draw. And he's autistic, and that's kind of like, I don't know, most kids, I'm sure, really aren't thrilled with getting their blood drawn to do some labs. But he was freaked out. He wasn't happy about it. But he did it, and he got through it. And we're very proud of him here. So, good job, Miles. You rocked it. I asked him, so it wasn't so bad. Do you want to do it again next week? He's like, no. I'm like, I don't blame you. I remember when I was a kid, I got my blood drawn. It was horrible. I was like, an unfun experience for the children. Don't take your kids on a medical vacation to get their blood drawn. That's my motto. I think that's probably not going to end up as like, wow, I want to do that again next year. Thanks, folks. You know. Anyway, but I just made some beautiful eggs, and I just cooked up these lovely noodles. All right, yeah, can you see the lovely noodles? There they are. Yeah. I went out, did a shorter walk than normal today. I might go out. Oh no, it's Wacky Wednesday. Wacky Wednesday is the day that they have like a shorter day of school. I told my children, okay, so I want you guys to be extra nice to your teachers today. They had a rough night. I live in Washington State. It's a very, very blue state, so I went out walking and you could feel it in the air. You know. I don't know. I take solace in the knowing that, you know, there were a lot of things that guy said he was gonna do, and I don't think he really cares about doing much other than making more money and not going to jail. Now, it's the other people that are around him that might be more interested in doing other crummy things, but I don't know. They'll happen or they won't. I don't think the birds are going to stop singing, and I don't think the grass will stop growing. And I think that's pretty good. It's got kind of a strong acidity to the soy component. That might turn some people off. I kind of like it. Very, very tangy, kind of almost tart. The Noodle in all its heavenly glory. But yeah, you can get these on Amazon. There's a few varieties. The last one I had was their, oh, what was it called? Other flavor. Was it sweet and spicy, or I don't know. But it was good. I like the other one too. I'm gonna add some egg, which I just literally finished up. Whoa, don't cause an eggsurrection. Come on. There we go. Look at that. That came out beautiful. Okay, and you guys, I made 3 eggs. I really only needed 1 because I'm only doing 2 reviews today. That's been kind of my cap lately. But I don't know, I might do 3 tomorrow. Need a little bit of a noodle spiritual healing after last night's debauchery. So, actually, other than the election junk, I had a really good night last night. Got some Fireball cinnamon whiskey, had a ton of that. Made the dough, and my wife put together the pizza, which we still have pizza left, which is nice. And hung out with the kids, who were yelling at the TV more than we were, I think. That's funny. My son Miles, he's great. He was watching one day. I just like looked over and was like, "What are you watching? I hear all this cheering." He kept clapping, and he was watching a Harris rally. This was like right when she got drafted, basically. But this, that. Oh, that's such a trip. So they mentioned on the thing to accompany with Momofuku Chili Crunch, and that's what this is. The folks at the Momofuku shop were kind enough to send me some of this for an upcoming special thing that should be out by now, if you're watching. It's a rundown of all the different chili crisps I could reasonably take pictures of and get, and 2 companies sent me some, and I had a little bit on hand. couple that I got at stores here. Yeah. Anyways, look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? It does, because it is. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. I found this at S-Mart. That's right, Shop Smart. Shop S-Mart. This is Misadop Spicy-licious. It's a green chili mee goreng. So that sounds groovy, and you're groovy. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. It really makes things go a little better in this time, place, thing. Anyways, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.